Welcome to my review of Viya Internet Provider Usage Experience. All the links to the products mentioned in this video are available in the description below. In this review, I'll be walking you through Viya Internet's key features, sharing my personal experience, and helping you decide if this provider is the right fit for your needs. Viya Internet offers a range of internet services, including fiber optic and cable options designed to cater to both residential users and small businesses. They provide speeds ranging from 25 megabits to 1 gigabit, making it a flexible choice for light internet users, heavy streamers, remote workers, and online gamers. In my experience, Viya consistently delivered solid speeds with minimal buffering during HD streaming or video calls. I found their connection to be reliable, even during peak usage times, and had no issues with downtime or slowdowns, which is crucial for maintaining productivity in a home office. One of Viya's strongest points is their customer service. They have a reputation for responsive support, with quick response times and helpful staff ready to assist with any issues. During my usage, I had to reach out for assistance, and the team was prompt and effective in resolving my concerns. Their installation process was straightforward and efficient, making it easy to get connected quickly. In terms of pricing, Viya Internet offers competitive rates with a variety of plans to suit different needs and budgets. They also provide bundle options for those looking to combine internet, TV, and phone services, which can be a great way to save on multiple services. However, it's important to note that Viya's service area is somewhat limited, so make sure to check if they're available in your region. Overall, Viya Internet is a reliable provider, offering good speeds, great customer service, and competitive pricing. If you need a solid internet connection for both personal and business use, Viya is definitely worth considering. For more details, be sure to check out the links in the description. Thanks for watching.